NASA is going back to the moon, but this time, the plan is riskier than anything they attempted during Apollo. Not because engineers forgot how to build rockets, not because technology got worse, but because Artemis is trying to do something Apollo never did. And once you understand why, you realize this program was never meant to be safe. When Apollo flew to the moon, the goal was simple: get there, land, come home. Artemis doesn't have that luxury, because NASA isn't just returning to the moon. They're trying to stay. And that single change quietly multiplies every risk involved. Apollo was a sprint. Artemis is an infrastructure project being built 384,000 kilometers away. Instead of one spacecraft, Artemis depends on the Space Launch System, Orion, a lunar space station, a human-rated lander, surface systems, and future resupply missions. Each one works, but none of them work alone. And the more systems you stack together, the more ways the mission can fail. Apollo missions followed a tight, proven path: launch, orbit, land near the equator, leave. Artemis deliberately breaks that formula. The missions target the moon's south pole, a region Apollo avoided entirely. Why? Because the terrain is brutal. Steep craters, permanent darkness, temperatures that swing hundreds of degrees. But hidden in that darkness is water ice. And water changes everything. Water means fuel, oxygen, life support. But reaching it means landing in places where sunlight is unreliable, communication windows are shorter, rescue options are limited. Apollo astronauts could see their landing sites clearly. Artemis crews may land near shadows that never move and cliffs that never warm. Navigation errors here aren't inconvenient, they're fatal. Apollo accepted danger, but it was controlled danger. They flew missions back to back, learned fast, and refined designs quickly. Artemis doesn't work like that. Each mission is spaced years apart. Every failure becomes politically visible. Every delay compounds cost, which means problems can't be worked out in flight the same way. The margin for error is thinner, even with better technology. Here's the part most people miss. Apollo's greatest risk was speed. They rushed to beat the Soviet Union. Artemis's greatest risk is complexity. More partners, more contractors, more launch systems, more points of failure. And complexity doesn't care how advanced you are. It only cares how well everything works together, every time. So why do it? Why choose the harder path? Because Apollo proved we can visit the moon. Artemis is trying to prove we belong there. A sustained presence, reusable systems, a testing ground for Mars. And Mars makes the moon look forgiving. Artemis isn't dangerous because NASA forgot Apollo. It's dangerous because they learned from it. The moon is no longer the destination. It's the training ground. And the risks Artemis takes today are the price of leaving Earth tomorrow.